Look at these ants. What are they doing? Guys, what's the name of these ants? I don't know what they're called. And they're over here. Like even here, they've made a hole. Others are there. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm so excited. These days rain, like we are receiving a lot of rain like this side, so we have to collect when we get a chance and at least get this like the sunshine like today. So we go and collect a little bit of firewood, and yeah, which will take us through the week so that we don't have to go. So yeah guys, I want you to go along with me, and yeah, and right now it's something like 10 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, I like doing it in the morning because like during lunchtime maybe you can receive rain, or even like the sunshine can be too much and you find snakes there, so it's better to do it like right now in the mornings. Yeah, so let's go. So we normally get our firewood from the forest. As you're seeing, I have a panga. You have to do the panga so that you can cut the tree. Anyway, yeah, the reason why I'm moving with the panga because I'm going in the forest. You know, you never know what may happen there. You may find a rebel or anything, but I'm kidding, we don't have rebels here. But yeah, so we are heading to the forest. As you can see, our gardens are soon ending. Then we enter the forest. Then we start fetching the firewood. Hi. How are you? How are you? How are you doing? Are you fine? Oh, chukuchu. I love your hair. How are you? Guys, he's called Kizire. 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 How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung.
This is our maize plant plantation. It is still, like, as you can see, guys, they're still so young. As you can see, this one, yeah, they're just starting to grow. Yeah, our maize plantation. I can't wait because, guys, I'm a fan of maize, like roasted maize. I like it so much. So yeah, soon we shall harvest, like in August. Yeah, we'll be harvesting them in August. So yeah, a fan of Kizzy, come. Psst, psst. Kizzy, how are you? Kizzy, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh, stop being shy. Say hi. Guys, this dog is following me everywhere. Kizzy there. Say hi. Hello guys. How are you? Hi, Kizzy. Are you good? Are you doing fine? Are you fine? Ever following me on my... Go.